Hi, third graders. Today you are going to work on coming up with some good opinion essay ideas. These are some examples. Think about some of your favorite things, like your favorite book, your favorite movie, your favorite place to go on vacation, and your favorite teacher. Think about things that you want. For example, a teacher might say they want to take their students on a field trip, or get a puppy, or go to the beach, or a cleaner house. What are some things that you would want? Another idea is to think about taking a stand. That means having an opinion about something and trying to convince other people to think in the same way. For example, people shouldn't use disposable water bottles, or high school students should be required to volunteer. Another idea might be adopt a pet from a kennel instead of breeding, or our school library should have a larger selection of books. Today, you are going to complete this page in your opinion writing packet. You need to think of at least 4 ideas for each of these categories: favorites, something you want, and taking a stand. If you have more than 4 ideas that you would like to write down, you may write more than 4. When you are finished, take a good look at your ideas and circle the one that you think you want to write your opinion paper about. Then save your packet in your writer's folder.